In this video, I am going to teach you how to withdraw money from Kraken directly to your bank account. This is perfect if you're ready to cash out your crypto profits. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com and sign in to your account. Make sure your account is verified before making withdrawals. Next, click the wallet icon or go to the portfolio section on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your balances. Now choose withdraw from the options available. This will open the withdrawal page for your funds. In the withdrawal options, make sure to choose from the cash choices. For this video, I will choose US dollar. This ensures you're withdrawing fiat money to your bank. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw, choose your preferred withdrawal method, and select the bank that's linked to your Kraken account. Click Review to double-check the details, then a confirmation page will pop up for you to approve the withdrawal. And that's how to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!